Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode we are looking at a barbecue griller. We use barbecue griller in holidays to braai. So how does it work? How to set it up? I receive many cases whereby people are not able to set it up. They buy it, they try to switch it on, it doesn't work. It won't work if it's not properly set up. So I'll show you different pieces. This is our element. It has a switch here for minimum and maximum. Underneath there's a safety switch. So if this switch is not activated, your barbecue griller will never work. This element is very fragile. It does not need to be exposed to water. Be careful when you add water into your tray. It must be at the required level so that the element does not get exposed to water, because it might trip the power, or the element might die or break because it's exposed to water. We have our tray here. You'll notice that on the side of the element, where the element goes, there's a step there, and then it's written min and max. For that min, it's for the water. The level of the water must be between minimum and maximum. It must never be below minimum or beyond maximum. Then we have our bottom cover here. It has a lever here, small lever. This small lever is responsible for activating the switch on the element. With different models, there are levers here that holds your tray in the right position. With this one, it's a step, so there's no way you can miss the step. But with other models, it's just a small lever here that holds the tray. So if you misalign those holding levers with the tray, your barbecue will never turn on, because once the tray is not in the alignment, surely your element will never be in alignment. So firstly, you put your bottom cover. You make sure that your tray it's properly aligned. You pour your water, put it at the required level. Then when the element comes in, you must make sure it's properly aligned. Don't, like in this case, it's not properly aligned. Your element must be properly aligned. It must be flat with the cover of the bottom cover. If it's not properly aligned, it's not in one level, it will never turn on, because your safety switch is not activated. It must be in level. Surely your switch is activated. Then you put the piece, the top piece, and then you plug it, you switch it on, minimum, maximum. Then there's a light that shows you it's on, it's off, and then you're good to go. You'll never have problems. Make sure the water is added. If there's no water, it will give you problems of tripping, or if the water is not at the required level, it will trip. So make sure that everything is properly aligned. Enjoy with your family this December. Make sure that you're with your friends, you're braai, and the life is good.